Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making some Puerto Rican Domplines, and these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. So here I have all-purpose flour, I have sugar, water, butter, baking powder, and some salt. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to come and do is add my flour, and I'll have all the ingredients and exactly what I am using in my description below. Okay, so we'll be right back. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add my baking powder. Okay, also I'm going to add my salt, and I'm going to add my sugar. Okay, and we're just gonna mix everything well. This is so good. This, you always serve this with a side of beans because it's good to just dip it in. It's really good. Like, you guys gotta try this. Okay, so now that I have everything mixed, and I'll also leave my video for my beans in the link below. Okay, so now that this is mixed, we're gonna jump to the next step. Okay guys, so now I just want to show you, I did cut up my butter so it could be easy to mix. So I'm going to add it all in here, and I'm going to take my clean hands and I'm just going to grind everything together into, it's like a sandy type, yeah, it just got to look sandy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just like this, and you want to keep doing this until again it looks sandy. Okay, and I'll have the ingredients and what I'm using in my description below. We'll be right back. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do is start adding my hot water. You want to add it little by little because you don't want to over add water. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit, and again with my hand start messing with it because you want it to turn into a ball of dough basically. Okay, I'm going to add just a little more, and then I'm going to continue like this until I can get it all mixed into a nice ball. Okay, see how it's already turning doughy? That's what we want. I'm gonna add a little more water. There we go. And I'm gonna keep doing this until it turns into a ball, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just want to show you how it looks. You see how it turned into a ball? Now we're gonna put this on our clean counter. And let me bring the camera a little down. There we go. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna roll and flatten it and then roll. Okay, just like this, because you want everything well mixed. Okay, so we're gonna do this for like a good, I want to say 30 to 40 seconds. Be right back. Okay guys, so this is the way it looks. You can see that. Let me get out the light. See that? See, it's sticky, but it's not sticky that it's gonna stick to your hand. Get it? So it can be nice and soft. So now what we're gonna do, you can make this any size you want. Just remember, the bigger it is, the longer you have to fry it for. But all I'm gonna do is take a little piece like this, because I like the middle. I'm gonna roll it just like this. Let me move this to the side. I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna take the palm and I'm gonna flatten it just like that. Okay, look at that. See how thin it is? And now this is ready to fry. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do is put my flames on a medium heat, and I'm gonna add some oil. Okay, you can add the oil to your liking. Just make sure that it's enough to fry. Guys, I remember when my grandmother used to make this, and then my mom started making it. Oh my god, it's just, this brings me back memories. So now I'm just gonna wait till this gets nice and hot, and then we're gonna put our dumplings to fry. Okay guys, so my oil is nice and hot. I dropped a little tiny piece of the dough, and now I'm just gonna put them in, okay? Just like this. And then you want to fry these until they're golden brown on both sides. Okay, so we'll be right back. Okay guys, so this has been frying for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to come and I'm going to flip it. Look at that golden brown color. So we're just going to flip it. I'm going to flatten it a little. And be careful that this doesn't jump and burn you. And that's it. We're going to cook this for another 5 minutes. Okay guys, so this has been cooking on each side for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to turn off the flames because these are ready to come out. So what I got is a napkin. Make sure it's thick enough so when you put it on it will not burn you, because I want to soak out the oils. Okay, I will be right back. Hey guys, I just want to show you the way my dumplings came out. Look at how nice and golden brown they are, crispy. And these are the beans that you're gonna come and you're gonna dip it in. I have a video on how to make these beans. I'll leave it on the description below as well. Okay, so if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And if you are a subscriber, I really thank you. And like always, enjoy and have a blessed day.